Our Shakespeare season is part of the nationwide celebration of Shakespeare's death, which is called Shakespeare 400. It's 400 years since he died. It's a marvelous opportunity for us to bring together the enormously varied works which Shakespeare's plays have inspired. We have the kind of classic grand Italian opera, Verdi's Macbeth, one of the most famous operas derived from Shakespeare's plays. We have, opposite that, a classic musical, Kiss Me Kate, which is based on The Taming of the Shrew. And in between, we have a Polish, Jewish, British composition of one of the most problematic of Shakespeare's plays, The Merchant of Venice, realized by Andrei Tchaikovsky. Spring 2017 sees a season entitled Love's Poisoned Chalice. Love's Poisoned Chalice refers very specifically to that famous drink that Tristan and Isolde drink, but it also reflects the fact that in Madame Butterfly and La Bohème, love comes to a very bitter conclusion. La Bohème and Madame Butterfly, they're both classic productions, been in our repertoire for some years, but it's always a great pleasure to bring them out again. And they're offset with the most marvelous little gem, and a piece very little known, but very beautiful, very powerful, very emotional, very lyrical piece by the Swiss composer Frank Martin. It's called Le Vin Herbé, which means literally the spiked drink. This is a piece for our chorus and a couple of soloists, and they will be the narrating instrument, if you like, of telling the story of Tristan and Isolde. In the summer, where the time is ripe for a little dalliance in the warmer climate, we arrive at Vienna Weiss. The title Vienna Weiss is a kind of pun on Miami Vice. Vienna Weiss is a bit more stylish and a bit less murderous, with two marvelously entertaining, light-hearted pieces, a sumptuous comedy of Der Rosenkavalier by Richard Strauss, and this is paired with a revival of Die Fledermaus, one of the classic operettas of all time, a hugely entertaining piece, both of them reflecting Vienna's obsession with the waltz and with genteel misbehavior.